Hey guys, welcome back to Is Code Easy, and in the previous video we have learned that what are variables or what are containers for our data types. So we have learned data types, we have learned about print syntax and arithmetic operators inside of PyCharm or Python, and in this very new video we are going to learn about string slicing. So in the previous video we have learned about a data type which is a string or str class. So in this data type we are going to slice it up. Okay, so how we are going to slice it up, we will be watching in this video. But if you haven't watched the previous video of this series or Python series, please go in the link below and then watch all the videos so that you will be having a better understanding that what we are going to get. So let's start the video. First of all, we will be creating a variable of type name or whatever you can create. I have told you in the previous video that variable can be named anything, so you can name it anything. Okay, so now this will contain my name is Samir and I am a student. Okay, so I have written a big string and it's a big, so we are going to slice it up, we are going to break it down. Okay, slice means we are going to break it down. So let's print it up. Okay, so let's try to print it up. Print, and we are going to print name. Okay, sorry. Okay, so now let's run the code. So we have got the string that we have created or the name variable that we have created. So there is nothing new. We have done this in the previous video. So let's see something new. If I wanted to get this much part only of my string, or if I wanted to get this much part of my string only, so how can I get this much part, or how can I get a specified path of my string? Okay, so what we do here, we create square brackets, two square brackets. Okay, and we put index numbers, that from which index, from till which index we wanted the string. So if this, and indexes starts from 0 in Python. Okay, so this is the 0th index, first index, not this one will be the first index y, then this blank string right here. Okay, so this blank character right here is the second index, then the, wait for a while, then this n will be of course the third index, then the fourth index, then the fifth index, then the sixth index. So it will go on like this. Okay, it will go on like this. Okay, so you have learned that indexes starts from 0. Okay, so if I wanted to get all the characters from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so we want 1 to 6. So what we'll do, we'll write here 1 to 7, and now when I print it up, you can see we got y name. That's awesome. Okay, that's awesome, we have got y name right here. Okay, you can see that we have got in the console. So we have got a broken part of this string. But what if I wanted to jump with two index? I wanted y, I don't want this blank string right here, I don't want this blank index right here, I want n, then I want m, then I want this blank index. So what should I do? I can jump up with two indexes at a time. Okay, so now when I run the program, you can see we have got this. Okay, so you can see we have got y and m, and that's all. We have jumped with two indexes. We firstly came to this index, then we left one index, then we came to this one, then we left one, then we came to this one. That's how we printed these three indexes between 1 and 7 by jumping two indexes at a time. Okay, so this is actually the slicing of a string. This is how we slice a string up. Okay, but if I actually doesn't get any parameter like right here, then I run the code, what will happen now? It will take it as default, which is 1. It will take it default and give us all the indexes between it. Okay, But if I don't give any index right here, then what will happen? Let's see. It will give us the whole string till the end. Okay, so it will give us the whole string from the first index till the end. Okay, but if I don't specify the first index as well, let's see what happens. So it will give us the whole string. Okay, so you can specify any argument. If you wanted to get the whole string with two indexes, with jumping with two indexes, so you can specify two right here only, and then run the code, so that you can see we have got the whole string with two indexes jumping at a time. Okay, so this is actually the process of in string slicing. This is how we slice a string. This is how we break down a string. Okay, so in this very much video we have learned that how to slice a string. If you like this video, please click the like button below, and if you wanted to get the updates of the upcoming videos, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you will be able to get the notifications on time. So that's much for this video. We'll be watching you in the next video. So I'll be seeing you in the next video.